Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So firstly, open the Play Store and find here Niagara Launcher. Find it and click Install. Then click Open. OK. Agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps. Click OK. And great. So why I love this launcher? Firstly, because here we have our favorite application on the home screen, and here we have a very simple search feature. So for example, if you want to find any application, you just need to press on the alphabetical line and swipe it to desired later. For example, if you want to find Gmail, just swipe it to G button and here you will see the Gmail. If you want to find the Play Store, so just tap your finger on the line and switch it to P button and here you will see the Play Store. Great. On the second place is Smart Launcher 6. Oh, so sorry, Smart Launcher 5. Oh, no, 6. So sorry. So Smart Launcher 6. Click Open. Get started. I agree. Confirm. Continue. While using the app. Allow. Choose wallpapers. Click Next. Click on the cross, and great. So why I love this launcher? Firstly, because it's very beautiful. You have beautiful fonts, beautiful icons, beautiful wallpapers, and great main menu with really handy app grouping features. For example, as you can see here, I have groups. Here I have my contacts, internet surfing apps, games, media, utilities, and settings. And really easy to use, and if you will try it, I think you will love it. And here, as you can see, we have the full main menu feature. So if you don't like the app grouping application, you can use normal main menu. Great. And on the first place in my tab for Samsung tablet is Microsoft Launcher. Find it in the Play Store and click Install. So now I'll show you the normal Samsung launcher. As you can see here, we have normal launcher. On the left side we have Google News. It's freeze. This app is freezing and it's not beautiful, as you can see. Here we have main menu application. This is normal main menu but without additional features. Of course we have launcher settings, but we have no great features in our launcher settings. But if you will open Microsoft Launcher, just wait for it. Click Get started while using Allow. Continue. Here I suggest you to log into the Microsoft account, but I will not do it right now. I just want to show you how this launcher looks like. But here, as you can see, we have One Year Home, and if you will install Microsoft Launcher, this launcher will be integrated into your Samsung launcher. So it will look like Samsung launcher, but it will give you really great additional features. So click Continue. Hello. Let's go later. And great, what we have see here. So here we see a normal Samsung panel on the lower part of our screen. Here we have Samsung's main menu. But here we have, as you can see, we will remove this panel after a while, so just wait for it. And here we have Microsoft Launcher's main menu. As you can see here, we have alphabetical line to easy find any applications without the search, but we have search here too. We have voice search here and photo search too. We can hide unused applications. For example, I don't need wallet, 2 accounts, and maybe launcher settings applications. Click done, and now I don't have these apps in my main menu. Here I have glance panel. In the glance panel I can set up all my favorite widgets, and it's not freezing like Google News. And of course we have MSN News here too. So here you can set up your widgets in the way you want. Just click edit this view, remove Microsoft widgets for example, and choose your favorite widget. So here you will see the list of all widgets you have on your tablet, and just find your favorite widgets, for example for primary, and great. And now I have here my Google Mail widget. I can resize it, I can make it bigger, smaller, and else. But why I love this launcher? Because this launcher supports gestures. So just find the gesture you want to use. For example, set it up to open calendar, for example. And now when you will swipe up from down to up using 2 fingers, you will open desired application. I suggest to try gestures, because gestures is a really great feature, and with that gestures you will be able to use this tablet without any restrictions. Great. And now I'll show you how to set your favorite launcher as default. To do it, just open settings and scroll down, find your apps, then find here default, choose default apps, find your home app, click on it, and choose Microsoft Launcher. Wait a while, and great. Now we have this Samsung panel here. Here we have our main menu. Here we have doubled favorite apps line. But if you want to open the main menu, just swipe up from the center of your screen or from the upper part of your screen. And great, that's it. So thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.